Twisted Artisan here. This is for upholstery, audio, and tech. I'm on the road doing some traveling again. I get to brush up on my audio skills. I'm in Ocala, Florida at Ocala Car Audio. I got a 2024 Ford F450 behind me. I got to install an MTI 410 box, all lit up with LEDs. It's got an RD1500. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the install. Nice little bass knob. Let's check it out. So we integrated into the factory system. You can see it's got some nice big screens up here, but we had to put the little bass knob in so we can actually have some control over that. Now let's check this box out. So not only is this MTI box cosmetically pleasing with the limited logo, the LEDs showcasing the nice subwoofers, those are W310s in there. They're dual 4s, and we have the box wired dual 2 ohm going to the RD1500. Now the RD1500, the cool thing about that is it can be wired to 1 ohm or 2 ohms and still get a full 1500 watts. This is a great system. I'm gonna give you a quick listen, and then we're gonna have to give it back to the customer.